Look guys, ayan, ito yung maroon color niya guys. Ang ganda niya. Ayan, sakto lang pala yung large sa akin guys. Ayan, oh, I really love it. Ayan guys, oh, di ba? Pack na pack. Ang ganda niya. Ayan yung ating susukat naman guys, yung ating color black. So guys, charan! Ayan, ito na yung color black guys. Pack na pack naman talaga yan guys, oh. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan guys, ayan. Sakto lang pala sa akin yung large guys. Large size na pala ako ngayon. Ayan guys, oh. Talaga namang mapapawaw ka yan guys. Ayan. O, diba? Pack na pack guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan. Ayan guys. Next nating sukat guys, yung color blue naman. Ayan po, I really love it. Guys, look. Ayan, I really love blue color, guys. Ayan, ang lakas naman talaga makaganda nito. Ayan, sa murang halaga lang, guys. Ayan, for only 350 pesos. Ayan, ayan, 7 pieces na siya, guys. Ayan yung kanyang likod, guys. So, ang kagandahan nito, guys, hindi siya mangingitim yung iyong ano, o, diba? Pak na pak yan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. O, diba, yan yung ating blue color. Ayan, I really love it. Guys, next natin yung color brown. Ayan, ang lakas din makaganda nito guys. Oh, I really love it. O, diba guys? Ayan, pwede na siya pang swimming. Ayan, pang bikini natin guys. O, diba? Pack na pack yan guys, yung ating likuran. Oh. Pack. O, diba? Pack na pack siya guys. I really love it. Ayan, ang saya ko talaga guys sa aking mga in-order. Sa murang halaga lang. Ayan, may pang fashion na naman ako. O, diba? Pack na pack. I really love it. Look guys, flexing my bikinis. Ayan guys, yung ating black color. Ayan.
Wow.
I really love it. Ayan guys, yung ating black color. Ayan. Ito guys, yung ating mga isusukat. Ayan, all black siya guys.
Oh
It's another one. Black color. Another black color guys. Ayan. Yan, yung ating likuran. And guys, I really love black color. Ayan guys.
Wow!
I love it. Ayan, ito na naman guys, yung another black color. I love it. Another black color. I really love it. Ayan, ang ganda naman talaga nito guys. Ayan, yan yung my favorite color guys. Is color black. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan. I really love it. Ayan guys, last but not the least, yung ating all black. Ito na siya guys, yung ating last color na black. I really love it guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So, pack naman talaga yun guys. Yung ating likod. Ayan, shape na yung ating likod guys. Ayan, nagpack na pack. Ayan guys, ito yung ating mga bikinis. All black siya guys. Ayan, I really love it. Isusunod ko naman later guys. All color red naman siya guys. Ayan o. Pack na pack yan. I really love it.